Hi YouTube, hello everyone.
How do we get unblurry? Hello? Hello.
There you go.
It's Nikki from Nikki Lilly. Hi YouTube. We are doing a fun video today. I'm here with my lovely cousin Adam.
She's like got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and she's like only 15 years old. It's unbelievable.
I was born with my condition. I have an AVM, which stands for arteriovenous malformation. In the right side of my face, behind my eye, top of my head, and gums, I don't have the capillaries between the arteries and veins. The arteries and veins collide, which causes me to have swelling, veins on my face, bad pain, and nosebleeds. I was such an active and chatty child. Honestly, any hobby or like sport you could do, I did. I had to gradually give all of that up. I kind of just felt like I didn't fit in anywhere. My room and my house became my only environment. I have always been really chatty. I've loved role play. I filmed loads of these little videos of me doing silly things. The amount of love that I felt when I did it, and passion that I felt, and happiness that I felt was something that I'd not felt in a long time since being diagnosed. Ever since, I've never looked back. It's helped me in so many ways. Who knew talking to a camera could boost your confidence so much, but it really has.
Let's jump in. Oh, I did it wrong. Let's do it again.
I think she's built this kind of community within that sort of vlogging world, a community where, you know, talks about, you know, being positive, making the most of every day, and it's okay actually not to be okay too. You know, it's okay to have bad days.
Life is still great, but sadly I've had kind of a bit of a bad day.
You use social media in a real positive way.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I think it's brilliant. Like,
Yeah.
it's so powerful, it's so important. And if we keep using it like that, then it can be a great thing. But if we sort of let it swallow us up, it can consume us.
I first met Nikki when I gave her the Pride of Britain Award. She was amazing. I said there and then, shall we do a collab together? And we have. We've done many collaborations together. And now she's my friend, and she's an extraordinary young girl.
People might say peng.
That's Peng. That's amazing.
Baking was definitely one of my first newfound passions after I got diagnosed with my condition. I love how you can just sort of focus on the recipe, and it became a big coping mechanism for me. One year, my auntie was like sitting eating one of these cupcakes that I'd made, and she said, you know, Nikki, you should really just apply for Junior Bake Off.
My half term, my weekends, my everyday life, and my thoughts are going to be about baking, baking, baking.
The winner of Junior Bake Off 2016 is Nikki.
From Junior Bake Off, I met with the producers at Blakeway North.
It was a bit of a no-brainer. I mean, it was just so obvious that it would make a really great film, and that with Nikki at the heart of it, it would be a really compelling story.
This was an opportunity for me to show the whole story. I don't just sit in my room and make videos, I also have big operations. I'm not always positive. After my first My Life, we ended up doing Nikki Lilly Meets. I interview public figures about pressing topics like body image and mental health. I wanted to learn about their childhood, you know, what were they like at my age?
I must admit, when we got interviewed by Nikki, I thought, wow, you're going to nick our jobs.
Yeah, I was fuming.
Yeah, she was really, really good.
And she brought cakes.
And she did.
Oh, mate.
Good.
Oh, no wonder you won.
And I'll tell you something, she gets a lot better guests on her shows than we do on ours.
She's changing people's views about what normality should be. And I think for that alone is just an incredible feeling as a parent.
High five, high five. High five. Oh my God.
What she did to help herself has helped so many other people.
She's just a real example that actually believe in yourself enough and you can make amazing things happen.
Nikki is an incredible role model in the new generation of social media and the concept of trolling and all of that kind of stuff around bullying. She's just amazing. Do you reckon you might go home and have a go at that?
100%.
Brilliant.
You're really honest about the things that you go through and your own mental health.
Thank you.
You are doing a great thing on YouTube.
I think if by role model we mean you inspire people to be their best selves, then Nikki has that in spades. She's really accessible to young people as well as older people and really cares.
I'm so grateful and happy that I can be like an escapism and a coping mechanism for other people that are having rough days. It's had an impact on people in ways that I could never imagine, and I'm so grateful.